Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. It's time to eat once again, and इसीलिए मैं आ चुका हूँ Al Barsha में. The restaurant that we're going to go to today is Chimes. Now this restaurant has been here for a while, and to be honest with you, अब तक मैं सोचता था कि this is actually a Chinese restaurant. Now that's not true at all. This is a proper Far Eastern cuisine restaurant. So आपको यहाँ पर खाना मिलेगा from Malaysia, from Thailand, from Singapore, from Indonesia, from Vietnam. So all these varieties waiting inside. All we've got to do is just get in.
When you step into Chimes, you're automatically transported into a cozy and very homely atmosphere. It's a small but nonetheless warm place. A place where you can go and relax with friends, family, or even colleagues in between their busy workday for lunch or dinner. Whether it be a weekday or a weekend, Chimes is the perfect destination for Far Eastern cuisine. With an eclectic range of authentic dishes from Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia, offering a perfect blend of Far Eastern flavors with a modern twist. While I was taking a look at the menu, I was welcomed with a cooling drink of iced tea with fresh mint, a perfect drink for the fast approaching heat of the summer months.
Okay, so once you walk into Chimes, you realize that this is a nice little small cozy place, and once you take a seat down, you find a very colorful menu here. I've gone through the menu here, and it's got a lot that you can choose from, and generally that's what happens, right? When you see a lot, you order a lot, but that's not what I've done. I've ordered very limited stuff, and this is supposed to be some of their best stuff.
I was ready to order. For starters, I went ahead with the Vietnamese spring rolls and Thai fish cakes. Now, the Vietnamese spring rolls were fresh vegetable spring rolls wrapped in rice paper, served with a tangy dipping sauce, a very different and unique flavor. Definitely worth it. The fish cake were full of wonderful flavors, served with cucumber dipping.
Alright, so here it is, my starters now. What I've ordered is Vietnamese spring rolls. Now, spring rolls are considered to be very tasty though, but one of the unhealthy options, right? But that doesn't hold true when it's Vietnamese spring rolls. It's almost like a salad. So when you take a look at this, there's hardly anything that you can call unhealthy. This is one of the healthy options for starters. This is, I have to say, not something that everybody will like, but this is something that has got a sort of acquired taste. So once you have it 2 or 3 times, you'll start enjoying this. And of course, then I've got the Thai fish cakes. Now, I feel that if I was Thai, this is the cake I would cut on my birthday. The thing about Thai fish cake or any sort of fish cake is that you've got to have it as soon as it's out of the oil, because that's when it's juicy. And any fish cake which is not juicy when you bite it is not a good one. This is very juicy though. You've got to feel the juice when you take a bite. So finishing up my starters with this last bite of the Vietnamese spring roll. Now, how much you like your Vietnamese spring roll actually depends on the kind of dip that you've had with it. And when it comes to dips and sauces, there's no one who can touch the Vietnamese. Now, they have the regular sauces, right? Like the fish sauce, the shrimp sauce. But they've got some very unusual ones as well, like the frog sauce, the crab egg sauce. I'm having none of those.
With such a great start to my meal, I was eagerly awaiting my main course. As with any Far Eastern cuisine, rice is a very important part of the meal. So I decided to go for steamed rice with fish in tamarind sauce and spicy chicken with hot basil. The fish was presented in easy-to-eat pieces tossed in tamarind sauce. On the other hand, the chicken was tossed in chili paste with hot basil leaves, giving off an aroma of spices. This was really spicy.
Thank you. Alright, so this is my main course. Now, as you can see, this is a complete Thai main course. I'm going to tell you something that the Thai believe in. You will never see Thai people sitting and eating alone, because the Thai think that eating is a celebration and it's got to be shared with people. And that's why, that's how the Thai eat and serve their food. It's always in portions that can be shared. Now, I've got my fish in tamarind sauce and I've got the chicken with basil. Now, these are things that you see very often in Thai menus. Now, it's time to dig in. sweet, spicy, and sour at the same time. It's a deadly combination. Okay, so I'm done with my meal. I've had so much food. I am so full right now. But remember, I told you this earlier, right? They've got such a huge menu. There's so much choice, so much variety here that you're going to end up ordering a lot. I didn't do that, but I definitely can tell you that there's a lot more that you can order, especially if you're one of those people who likes to have crab when you go to Singapore. Have you had that before? If not, try it here. They've got a very nice Singapore chili crab. Just to tease your appetite, this is what it looks like.
After such a great meal, I didn't have any space for more. My only regret this time was that I wasn't able to try the Chimes signature dish, Singapore chili crab. A dish of succulent crab in a zesty chili spiked gravy sauce, which I always have when I'm in Singapore. If you're a seafood lover, this is definitely a recommended way to go.
At the time when we started Chimes in Dubai, you couldn't find a restaurant that served such a variety of Far Eastern dishes. So that was the inspiration. We wanted to give a wide choice to our customer. And that is the reason why we picked these different cuisines from Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and even a little bit of Korean right now, and we're planning to add more soon. But that initially was the inspiration 5 years back.
With such a great meal down for the price of just 129 dirhams, I am off now to hunt for my next restaurant.
Okay, I'm done with my meal and it's time for me to go. But before I leave, here's a small piece of advice. Next time you're in and around the Barsha area, you feel like eating some Far Eastern cuisine, then Chimes is the place that you've definitely got to try. Now, till I see you next week, just remember one thing. No sawal, no doubt. Sabka solution. Weekend out.